Good morning to everyone. Yes, back to the charts. We are yet to see how the week is likely to end. Yeah, so the week has been pretty slow because we've been having the markets in a massive range, just like you see on gold. On some instruments, we happen to see price breaking out of the range, giving us now a clear bias where it's likely to go. So let's start off with the dollar index so that we can check it out. The dollar index has been in a massive consolidation for the past week, almost a week and a half. Yesterday we saw that it managed to break out of the range. Yes, though I thought maybe this range will continue to resist. This area of resistance will continue to persist or resist. So yesterday, the only thing I was waiting for, a clear bias. Yes. Since now we've seen price breaking out of this range, this is the dollar index. I use it as an indicator to show me how other pairs are likely to play out. So dollar index, we still have this daily buy side liquidity that we have. So I don't know if it's likely to be taken out before price retraces, but we've already taken out the external range liquidity of this range. This has been a range, and we could see that price has broken out of this range. Yes. So this is always actually an expansion. When price breaks out of the range, price expands out of the range. We have 4 phases of the market cycle, the price cycle actually, that we look at. Wherever price gets trapped in the range, we have what we call the 4 phases, 4 price cycles. We have the initial, which is a consolidation, where price has been for this all time. And we have what we call the expansion. The expansion is when we get price breaking out, taking out this external range liquidity of the range. Then another phase, the third phase, we have the retracement. The retracement is a phase we normally have when price now is offering fair value. Offering fair value, price is rebalancing up the price inefficiency, and also is when price is taking out all this engineered liquidity, internal liquidity. Understand? That's the phase number 4. Number 3, and the last phase is the phase of distribution. When price has taken out all this internal range liquidity, engineered liquidity, we would wait to see price now distributing, initiating to the desired direction. To that direction, actually, we're hoping to trade. So this is the direction I normally trade. Since now price has broken out into this consolidation, it has expanded, I'm waiting for the retracement phase. This retracement phase that I'm waiting for, I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, when it comes to the retracement phase, I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting for price to pull back to my POI, my potential area of interest. And I mark this POI on H1. Yes. And you could see in the later time, we will start now pulling back. Yes, pulling back, it will be due soon. Yeah, so since I don't want to trade correction or pullbacks, I'm gonna be relying on trading the expansion or trading the direction of the overall trend, which is bullish. I'll trade the impulse. So I'll patiently wait for price to pull back to the areas of discounted pricing within this range. It can be a fair value gap, a demand, but let's say, let me shift my area to my H4. Okay, this should be my inducement. This should be my H4 area of demand, where I'll be hoping price to correct to retrace towards. So this will be my POI I'll be waiting for, understand, so that I can trade in line with the trend. So we saw EU. Yeah, EU gave us a clear setup. We managed to break through this massive consolidation. We had a current break of structure, but check this leg that we're having. This is the low probability leg of which, yeah, once price has taken out the external range liquidity, we will be expecting price to pull back to areas of premium. Since we don't have any valid area of premium within this range, we don't have a valid supply area. Price, we have efficient pricing. We don't have inefficiency in between. So this is the low probability leg. So the only PDRA price can use to sell off from should be this swing point. So above the swing point, we have the decision order block or the extreme order block. So I'll be waiting for price to pull back. Yeah, it could be maybe tomorrow, starting from tomorrow or Monday. Yes, I'll be waiting to see that price to pull back, definitely. Yeah, today or Monday, definitely I'll be waiting for sales off of this decision order block, but I'll be eyeing this buy side liquidity to be taken out so that I could see either price reacting off of this decision order block or extreme order block. So these are my POIs for sales. So I wouldn't expect price to sell around here. I wouldn't expect that. For now, we have the inducement, which is the minor inducement, which we have to take out. Then price will retrace towards this POI, one of the POIs. So I'll patiently wait for sales. The sales are not yet in. I'll be patient waiting for the sales. GU is the same as EU. GU, I'm still waiting for the same thing to happen. GU, we still have a low probability leg, but we have fresh areas of supply above. So basically, I'll be waiting for the same thing, a pullback towards taking out this buy side liquid towards these areas of supply. I'll be eyeing for these shorts because I swing. So I patiently wait for the right POI to sell from. Yes, this could be a early setup for sellers. That's why I didn't take it, because I still had areas of valid supply and liquidity to be taken out. GU, you could say, yeah, it's likely to also give us a internal break of structure, then pulls back to areas where I'm hoping to sell from. Yes, so patience is the key. I'll patiently wait for next week. Okay, so when we come to gold, we're still in the range. Nothing is happening. This is gold. Gold, we're still in the range. Range low, range high. This is a range, but we broke into out of the range. We got a shift of market structure. Now we're pulling back towards these areas of demand, or the areas of what? Support. So anytime we're hoping to see gold, yeah, starting to pull up to buy, understand? So though it has been massively ranging, as you could see. So we're waiting for setups to buy gold, and silver is the same thing. So this is what I had for today. Have a beautiful day.